we're going to Rome, the eternal city. We are coming with Flixbus, actually for €3 per person. Great value. If you're going from Naples to Rome or any other Italian city, just definitely check Flixbus because they have really nice fares. Yeah, very excited to see Rome. This time we booked an Airbnb in a pretty normal residential neighborhood of Rome. I think the elevator impressed us the most and it even smelled vintage. I'm not sure if it's unusual for Rome. If you know, let me know in the comments. This is our apartment. Very neat. A TV. This thing, a mirror. Hello. And the best thing is the balcony. Ow! Ow! So there are 3 of us, but we only have 1 chair, but we would sit here and drink something and eat prosciutto and cheese and I don't know, enjoy the view. And without further ado, we went straight to the city center. Our first stop was Aracrelli Church. It is mostly famous because of its gorgeous wooden ceiling. Another peculiar thing is actually outside. In order to visit the church, you have to take 124 marble steps. That's why the church is often called Stairway to Heaven. After a quick meal, I'm excited to share our next finding. Behind me is this beautiful church called Chiesa del Gesù, if I pronounce it correctly. Definitely visit it because it has such a beautiful 3D ceiling and it's also free of charge. You can just visit it for free. One of the most striking parts of the temple is the ceiling fresco. It manages to look 3-dimensional thanks to the wooden figures and stuccos. It's our first day in Rome and I feel absolutely overwhelmed. I hope you can see why, and it's only one place. But it is a monument actually to this wonderful guy, Emanuele II, who unified Italy here in Rome. It seems to be free of charge, but there are like 2 museums inside of it if you want to visit. The project was modified several times, also in the choice of material. Nowadays, it got unflattering nicknames because of its shape and size, such as typewriter or wedding cake. The statue of the king is also impressive itself. Just think of his moustache that is 1 meter long each. Also, if you go up and then find this glass elevator on the side, you can go on the very top of the monument and see Rome from above. It's my absolute recommendation. If you have a chance, definitely go up this monument because you'll see such an amazing sunset. The ticket is also valid for the palace and some kind of museum for 7 days. Just for €4 if you're under 25. As the sun goes down, another side of Rome unfolds, as every major monument is lit from below. On the northern side of the Colosseum, more or less above the metro stop, you have Via Nicola Salvi. This is one of the best spots to take pictures with Colosseum. And that is our first day in Rome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe not to miss the second part.